Hey guys, I'm Kerry. In this video, you'll be learning about participles. What are participles? A participle is a verb that can be used as an adjective. Two kinds of participles are present participles and past participles. Present participles. Present participles end in ing. For example, the smiling graduate threw his cap in the air. Smiling, formed from the verb smile, modifies the noun graduate. Another example. The reminiscing boy sat there for an hour. Reminiscing, formed from the verb reminisce, modifies the noun boy. Past participles. Most participles end in d or ed. However, some are formed irregularly. For example, break, broke, broken. Let's look at this example. For dinner, we had grilled steak and mashed potatoes. Grilled, formed from the verb grill, modifies the noun steak. Mashed, formed from the verb mash, modifies the noun potatoes. Another example. For years, the treasure had remained hidden under tons of fallen rocks. Hidden, formed from the verb hide, modifies the noun treasure. Fallen, formed from the verb fall, modifies the noun rock. Stop. Do not confuse a participle used as an adjective with a participle used as part of a verb phrase. For example, adjective. The shrimp gumbo simmering on the stove smelled delicious. Verb phrase. The shrimp gumbo was simmering on the stove.
Time to get serious. Time to get serious!
Let's practice. Following each sentence is a participle in parentheses. Revise each sentence by inserting the participle next to the noun it modifies.
Here's an example.
We collected funds for the restoration of the building. In parentheses, we have the word damaged. Where should we put the participles damaged? The answer is, we collected funds for the restoration of the damaged building.
Do you understand? Okay, let's go.
The race car was greeted with loud cheers. Returning. Where should we place the participle returning? Time's up, and the answer is, the returning race car was greeted with loud cheers. The monkey narrowly escaped the tiger. Where should we put the participle circling? Time's going. Time's up. And the answer is, the monkey narrowly escaped the circling tiger. I handed the envelope to the mail carrier. Crumpled. Where should we put the participle crumpled? Time's up. I handed the crumpled envelope to the mail carrier. That's the answer. This book includes many interesting facts about birds. Illustrated. Where should we put the participle illustrated? Time's up. This illustrated book includes many interesting facts about birds. The carpenter will fix the chair. Broken. Where should we put the participle broken? Time's going. Time's up. The carpenter will fix the broken chair. Thanks for watching, guys. To learn more about other types of phrases, check out my playlist, The Phrase. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay grammarous. Bye, bye, bye.